the BENTSAI B10 Mini Portable Printer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll look at a portable printer by BENTSAI, the B10 Mini. This has multiple uses and can be utilized in the home or business setting. I will go over specs, features, and then demonstrate the product. I have included the link in the description below for the printer. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide and Type-C charging cable. It also comes with a black ink cartridge. The printer features the following. It's portable and palm size, Wi-Fi connection, Android and iOS app. It can print on multiple surface types, 7 ink colors, and up to 2 million characters per ink cartridge. USB-C for charging, resolution of 600 by 600 dpi or 300 by 600 dpi. The printer is slim and compact in size, and it's easy to grip. It has a plastic feel all around. On the front, you have the branding, status LED, power print button, reset, and Wi-Fi indicator. Looking at the side, you have the cartridge cover release button and the USB-C charge port. The bottom of the printer has the cover for the ink cartridge, and you'll see the following when removed. Auxiliary rollers, cartridge nozzle opening, and synchronous wheel. Installing the ink cartridge is simple. Just open the cover by pressing the button and slide the cartridge in. The printer comes in at 4.3 by 3.5 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at 298 grams. This has app integration as mentioned. Once downloaded and connected, you will see the main screen, which is pretty intuitive. You have the options from printing text, QR codes, barcodes, pictures, time and numbers, and database options. You also have general settings and maintenance settings so you can check and clean the nozzle. Printing is straightforward. Just type the text and select font and size. Press the print icon on the main screen and the device will be ready to print. Put the device on the desired surface you want to use and just press the button. You will hear a beep. Once you hear that beep, just slide it until you hear the beep again. Now I will print on a glass container. As you can see, the ink can be cleaned off with alcohol if you make a mistake on the surface. Once it's applied, it's smudge proof and waterproof, and it works on curved surfaces as well. The printer is versatile and it's very easy to use. It can be used at the home or for business. So that is a look at the BENTSAI B10 Portable Mini Printer. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.